What's up, Better Days? We're in Nice Mill Dam. This is as low as the water can get. I mean, it's so low people are playing where it usually roars through. And it's just a good time for everybody. We're gonna go upstream. You can't go too far before it gets really shallow. So we're gonna go up there. It's right around 6 o'clock. We're gonna do a little evening sunset fishing. But we're gonna get there a lot quicker. I've had a lot of questions. There we go. I've had a lot of questions about this drill. What's going on? This is drill paddle, handheld trolling motor. You just hook it to your drill and then there you go. That's all there is to it. To run one of these bad boys, you're gonna have to register your boat. That's just the law. Anything that's not human powered, or I should say anything that's mechanical. I guess you could hook up a bunch of gerbils, but anything that's mechanical is gonna have to be registered. Ghosts. Wonder if there's any fish in there. Okay. I didn't see anything. Might need to switch up from top water. I hate to do that. I really want to throw top water. Let's go all the way to the rapids here. I don't see any fish. There we go. Cool. It looks like there should be fish. Let's see if there's anything above it. I really want to fish top water. catch a fish. I've been fishing for a few minutes in the Stones River, and I haven't caught a fish. That's pretty odd. Ooh-wee. 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 It's a scorcher. Okay. Nothing on top water. Let's throw around a rooster tail real quick. See if we can get a taker. Somebody already swiped at it. Oh, we did get a bite in there. Felt like a bluegill. Oh, something just swiped at it. I saw it. There we go, first fish. What have we got here? It is a pretty pumpkin seed. Tiny little guy. Oh, there we go. A second fish. Another little pumpkin seed. Oh, whoa, buddy. Take it easy. There we go. Oh, don't do that. Ow, he got me. That's a good one. What have we got here? Look at that line move around in the water. Big bluegill, maybe? Oh. Come on, buddy. Settle down. No, we got a smallmouth. Cool. Nice. Sunset cruise for little fish. There we go. There he is, pretty guy. Oh, there we go. Now that's a fish. Now that is a fish. Oh, you guys, this is so much fun. It's a big fish for this little river. Let's try to get him in. We got him in. Oh, look at this guy. Do-do-do-do. I'm telling you guys, it's a good fish for this little stretch of river. There we go. There he is. Look at this guy. Boy, he put on a show for us too, didn't he? Some nice jumps. There he is. Had a little bite. He just nipped the feathers. Didn't get the hook. Oh, he did it again. A little short strike. Oh, there we go. You guys see that? That was a bass. Just jumped with it clear out of the water and spit it all in one motion. hit it, spit it, quit it, all in one motion. And we're back. That's Nice Mill Dam right there with everybody playing. And that was a lot of fun. We only had like, it says an hour and 9 minutes on the camera. So we didn't have much time. Just the sun was hot and setting, and I just wanted to get out and just do a little sunset fishing. This is just a few miles from my house, so this is easy for me to do. I love Nice Mill Dam because when there's not a lot of time in the day and I've got to get that fix in, this is where I can get it in. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.